be setting up Violet's crib with some Amazon basics I picked out. After much searching, this is the 3-piece crib set and bumper pad I decided on. I'll link these in the description, but I found these ultra soft bumper pads. I like that they're made of a hypoallergenic fiber and are allergen free, and with the ties, they should be easy to clean. It took me a while to find a bed set that I liked because I had my heart set on a different theme, which I'll do for her later, but I really liked this one. I felt like it was a really soft pink but not too pastel with nice gray accents that would match her crib. And I couldn't help but fall in love with the nice mandala patterning on the crib sheets as well.
Pow, pow, Power Wheels. Alright, maybe we'll get you a Power Wheel someday. So I'm assuming we put the skirt on underneath.
So I started to put this together with her in the Moby wrap and realized very quickly that she's outgrown the Moby wrap. I don't know how many of you use this product or like it, but she is too wiggly and curious to seem to stay put in that. So she ended up cheering me on from the playmat. This set costs less than $50 on Amazon and was really easy to put together. The bumpers come in an assortment of different colors, so you can pick whatever matches the bed set of your choice. And the fact that these tie on as opposed to something like Velcro, I feel like gives them a sort of cute little bohemian vibe. I may have to adjust the height on these bumpers because I feel like they're coming up too high, but they'll do for right now. Either way, I'm really happy with how this set came out and how these two pieces work together. I'll link them in the description below. Thanks for watching.